Best adolescent jobs online. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. The following is a list of the best online occupations for teenagers wishing to supplement their income while they are free. Data entry clerk. 1. National average hourly wage, $16.81. Primary obligations. Data entry is a sort of administrative labor that entails typing and voice recording as well as other processes to enter data into computers. Healthcare, finance, retail, and transportation are just a few of the industries where data entry clerks might find employment. Data entry tasks often call for quick and accurate typing abilities. Age restrictions vary depending on the business or individual hiring you. In most businesses, you must be 16 or 18 years old to work as a data entry clerk. 2. Independent graphic artist. National average hourly wage, $19.88. Graphic designers use specialized software and equipment to develop and produce digital art. If you enjoy creating art and are creative, you might want to look into finding freelance graphic design job. The rates you charge, whether hourly or per job, are frequently your own. Technology and aesthetic talents are combined in this position. Thus, proficiency with graphic design software is a prerequisite. Creating projects for student organizations, nonprofits, political organizations, friends and family, and local institutions could be a good way to start building your portfolio. After creating a portfolio, you can arrange it to draw in paying customers. 3. A contractor video editor. National average hourly wage, $20.61. Primary obligations. Numerous sectors employ video content, and independent video editors are required to use graphics, video, and sound to present a story. Raw video footage is edited by a freelance video editor for duration, sound, and quality. They may also work on filmmaking's post-production and video production. Before applying for paid employment, you must refine your video editing abilities and compile a portfolio. A freelancer's ability to maximize their earnings also depends on their ability to communicate and manage their time. 4. Virtual helper. National average hourly wage, $21.93. Virtual assistants' main responsibilities include various administrative activities for their clients. Tasks include taking calls, setting up appointments, reserving lodging, and managing client calendars. Virtual assistants must be proficient with the Internet, email, and computer programs, as well as with writing and oral communication, organization, and time management skills. 5. Independent content creator. $23.24 is the average hourly wage in the country. Creating online blog posts and other webpage material for companies to utilize on their websites is one of content writers' main responsibilities. Writers of content are typically compensated per word or per article. You might be able to obtain employment as a freelance content writer if you have excellent writing and grammar abilities. You must have great writing and editing skills to work as a freelance content writer. Making an online portfolio of some of your greatest, error-free work is a fantastic idea. To succeed as a freelancer, you'll also need to be able to effectively manage your time and have excellent communication abilities. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon.